Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I know many of you have asked me so many questions about how can I change my zip code to get the better coupons. Well, let me show you how to do that today. It is super easy. Let's go. All right, once you get onto your Kroger.com account, make sure you're logged in, you're into your account, all that good stuff. We're going to just go check coupons real quick. I'm going to go to save and go down to digital coupons, and it will take me into my digital coupon account. So what we're going to be looking for specifically is the weekly digitals. I have currently clipped in my coupons the 4 times the fuel points coupon. As I'm making this video, it is April 19th. I have to use it today and it'll be gone. That is what I currently have in my account. But I'm going to go to all coupons because I haven't clipped any weekly digitals just yet. You can change either to the most recent, which will have a lot of those digitals, those weekly digitals right at the top because they're fairly recent, or you can even get it closer. Go over here on the side and click on just weekly digital coupons so you can see what we have here. All right, so now we have the weekly digitals. We can just scan these. You'll notice, we have the $2.99 body wash here, the Outshine bars. I usually just go through and kind of clip everything. The one I'm really excited about for my region is the chocolate milk, but not every region is getting that. So if you're trying to look into a zip code to change to, 41042 might be a good one. And I will show you where to do that in just a second. But I wanted to go ahead and click some of these to have them in my account so we can kind of do some comparisons and contrasting of different elements. There we go. Here we go. Blueberries, a pint of blueberries in my region right now is $1.99. And we also have the seedless mandarins for $2.99. And of course, I can keep clicking around here. I will come back and do some of that later. So what we want to do is scroll up to the top here. You have right now. I'm shopping at a Union Marketplace here in Northern Kentucky. I actually changed that the other day because I that's not my normal store, but I can get to it. All right. So right here is the zip code. We're going to put that down and we're going to change to a different zip code. Now there is one that I use quite often. It's a Texas zip code 77377. It usually gives me different items. So when I look that up, it's going to give me options. We're going to change store, and then we will go into one of these local Texas stores, and you can hit shop in store. So now you'll notice that my coupons have reset for that region. And we can see right here, we have 2 times the fuel points in this particular region. You can clip that coupon. It will be inside your account, and both of them will now be in the account. We'll also scroll down and notice right here, we have raspberries or blackberries for just $1.88. We're going to clip that coupon. We also have some Kroger milk. Now, I'm not going to clip that one right now. I may come back and clip it after I get my chocolate milk. I just don't want anything to interfere with my other coupon right now. I don't think it does. I believe the way it works is whichever coupon you clip first is the one that comes off first. But of course, you can always clip and unclip items and reclip them later if you need to. We're scooting on down here, grabbing some more weekly digitals, trying to find some price changes. Where are the mandarins? Now, notice this is from my last account. So they're both on there. The ones I've already clipped are still in my account here. All right, let's go back up to weekly digitals specifically. I'm giving you the raw. So $2.99 for these mandarin oranges that I'd already clipped from the former account. Scooting on down. This is what I wanted to show you. So now look, this region has a slightly different price on the mandarins. Now these are actually for the halos, and they're $2.97 each, where the other ones are for the, where are they at here? Cuties for $2.99 each. So it does vary region to region, but sometimes if you have the same thing, you can clip the better price on those. So you can kind of decide which ones you want. Sometimes there are different meat deals as well. I don't believe this is in my region, so you can clip it. Hopefully they would have this in my store. If they didn't, obviously you couldn't take part in it. And yeah, so that's all of those digitals right now. So what I want to do is go over to my coupons. You can kind of see what I have, what I've just clipped here. Do most recent. So we can kind of check those out. All right, as you can see, the raspberries and blackberries are there. The cuties are there. The milk is still there. The blueberries are there from the other account. And we can change the zip code back to the original zip code. I'll just use my location. That'll help. Scoot on down, change store. And now we're going to shop in the Florence Marketplace, which is my store that I go to all the time. I know I see some of you up there. So always feel free to say hi. It's always cool to meet people. And as you'll notice, now in my account, you see 4 times the fuel points and you see 2 times the fuel points. Now, I will tell you, I have loaded both in the past, and the 4 times worked and the 2 times didn't. I did see somebody else leave me a comment saying the same thing, that it didn't matter that they clipped both. The one in their region is the one that worked. Now, the good news is if you happen to drive into another region, you could sign into their zip code. And if you have a different coupon, you possibly could use it. But all of the like produce deals, the weekly digitals, that thing, those do work, regardless of what region you're in. So for instance, I'm going to go shopping in my region today and I'm going to pick up these blueberries and raspberries. So real quick, you want to make sure that they're going to occur in my store. As you can see, they're $2.50 in my store right now. So I'm going to get them for $1.88. Nobody else, unless they've done this trick, has these digitals in their account. And I will show you how it works. I will go get a receipt and we will talk about it. All right, friends, we are back from the store. So we went to Kroger, and of course, I did all of my shopping, and I also included the raspberries, the Driscoll raspberries, and the Driscoll's blackberries. I ended up getting 1 blackberry and 2 raspberries that were on sale for $2.50 in my store. Did not have the weekly digital in my region, as you saw from the video earlier, and I loaded them into my account from a different region, and sure enough, they came off. As you can see, we even have the store coupon there on the receipt, and it made them $1.88 each. So it is possible to use weekly digitals from other zip codes in your zip code. You just need to make sure you download them. Now, the only thing we still have, to experiment with or to possibly see if it ever glitches out or changes is that 4 times the fuel points versus the 2 times the fuel points. I would go ahead if you're switching zip codes and load both of them, because you never know what might happen. But don't expect to get the 2 times the fuel points in a 4 times the fuel points zip code, and vice versa. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video informational, please give it a great big thumbs up. Share it with a friend that wants to save money at Kroger. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. And of course, make sure you're subscribed, because you definitely want to keep saving money at Kroger. Have a wonderful week. Bye, guys.